Cursor has set a remarkable milestone in the SaaS industry by growing from $1 million to $100 million annual recurring revenue in just 12 months. Their achievement stands out due to their lean team of under 20 employees operating without a dedicated marketing department. This growth trajectory reminds me of WhatsApp's early success, demonstrating that exceptional products can drive rapid adoption through organic growth. This video is based upon the book The Digital Transformation of Logistics, written by Johannes Kirin. It's a very interesting read and I recommend everyone to take a look at it. The link will be in the description down below. What exactly is Cursor? Unlike traditional coding environments, Cursor has AI deeply integrated into its core, making it something truly special in the development world. What makes Cursor stand out is its ability to understand your coding intentions through natural language. Imagine being able to simply describe what you want your code to do and having the AI translate that into working code. That's exactly what Cursor does. It's like having a skilled programming partner who understands both human language and code. The magic doesn't stop at code generation though. Cursor excel at analyzing existing code bases, helping you understand complex structures that might otherwise take hours to decipher. When you're stuck with a bug, it can help identify the issue and suggest practical fixes. It even looks at your existing code and recommends ways to optimize it for better performance. This innovative approach to coding has caught the attention of developers worldwide, and it's easy to see why. The community around Cursor is growing rapidly as more developers discover how this tool can make their coding process more intuitive and efficient. Is this a lasting market revolution? When we look at market revolutions, we need to look beyond immediate success metrics. We need to search for real competitive advantages that can have a lasting impact. It's not about who gets there first. What truly matters is who becomes the definitive leader, the one that makes competition irrelevant. The big question is whether the current growth trajectory comes from fundamental strengths or temporary circumstances. This analysis is crucial because true market leadership emerges from structural advantages that compound over time. When looking at rapidly growing companies, it's important to examine whether their success is based on advantages that become stronger as they scale. Ultimately, it comes down to whether the current momentum reflects superficial gains, or if we're seeing sustainable competitive moats that can lead to long-term market dominance. Growth dynamics. AI-powered development platforms create unique scaling dynamics that go beyond traditional software economics. When developers contribute code and solutions, the AI becomes increasingly sophisticated at recognizing patterns and providing relevant suggestions. It's a powerful reinforcing cycle. Every new developer actively improves the collective intelligence of the system. Through their interactions, they're teaching the AI model new coding approaches and best practices. This continuous learning process makes the platform more valuable over time. This is quite different from how traditional software platforms scale. While conventional platforms mainly benefit from spreading fixed costs across more users, these AI coding assistants actually get smarter with every interaction. However, it's worth noting that this advantage isn't without potential limitations. With large language models becoming more accessible, competitors might be able to build similar capabilities, which could make it challenging to maintain a lasting competitive edge. Network effects. I find that collaborative elements strengthen the platform's value over time as more users contribute. The shared knowledge ecosystem allows developers to access solutions and custom commands from others, multiplying individual benefits. These effects are more limited in scope compared to major developer collaboration platforms, with the primary emphasis on personal productivity tools and workflows rather than extensive team-based features. Strategic market position. Cursor gains significant advantages by taking a completely different approach from conventional integrated development environments. I see how traditional IDE makers face constraints when adding AI capabilities, as they must preserve compatibility with existing tools and user patterns. By focusing entirely on AI-first development, Cursor creates a more unified and streamlined experience. Their development velocity exceeds competitors who juggle legacy features with new AI integration. This bold positioning perfectly captures growing developer interest in AI-centric coding tools. The market clearly wanted a purpose-built AI coding environment rather than AI features bolted onto traditional IDEs. Switching costs. I believe Cursor has built moderate switching costs through its personalized AI features and custom command system. Developers who invest time in creating specialized workflows become more entrenched in the platform. The accumulated workflow customizations make transitioning to other tools more challenging and time-consuming. While these costs are notable, they don't reach the level of lock-in seen with core enterprise systems. Brand identity and market position. Brand strength in developer tools differs significantly from traditional consumer products. Rapid growth and product innovation don't automatically translate to lasting brand value. I've observed that tech companies often confuse category leadership with genuine brand power. The real test lies in maintaining price premiums, even when competitors match product features. Take Apple as a benchmark. Their brand commands consistent price premiums across their product line, regardless of feature parity with competitors. This represents true branding power. Fast-growing companies often prioritize product development over brand building, which can limit their long-term pricing power and market position. The ability to command premium prices primarily through brand value remains rare in the developer tool space. Exploring resource exclusivity. AI-enhanced development environments represent a crucial evolution in software engineering tools. I examine Cursor's position in this competitive landscape through the lens of exclusive resource control. Cursor faces unique challenges in maintaining competitive advantages. Their development platform integrates advanced language models and IDE capabilities, but these fundamental technologies remain accessible to other market players. Their early market entry provided initial advantages in developing AI-powered development tools. Yet this temporal lead differs from truly exclusive resources like proprietary manufacturing processes or protected formulas. Their engineering expertise creates value, but operates within an active talent marketplace. While Cursor demonstrates innovation in combining these elements, the components remain reproducible by determined competitors with sufficient resources. Their real strength lies in execution and integration rather than exclusive control of fundamental resources. This positions them differently from industries where physical assets or protected intellectual property create lasting barriers to entry. Process power. I believe Cursor's competitive edge stems from their exceptionally quick development cycles and responsive product iterations. The team rapidly ships meaningful productivity features by staying closely connected to developer needs and AI advancements. Strong technical acumen and deep workflow expertise enable them to maintain high-velocity execution. This positions them to build sustainable advantages through continuous, rapid innovation. Growth challenges. Several key factors pose risks to maintaining rapid growth in the AI-powered development tool space. Market competition. Large tech platforms like Microsoft and Google are creating integrated AI coding solutions within their existing developer ecosystems. Their built-in distribution channels and vast data resources give them significant market advantages. Technical differentiation. As AI language models become more accessible and local deployment improves, pure technical advantages may erode. Success will depend more on creating seamless developer experiences and workflow integrations rather than raw AI capabilities. Competitive position analysis. The developer tools market is experiencing a significant transformation with AI-enhanced IDEs. Strong product execution alone won't be enough to guarantee long-term success in this rapidly evolving space. Let's look at what will actually determine market leadership. First, we need to consider network strength. Things like developer community engagement, how quickly teams are adopting the platform, and how fast the knowledge base is growing. For these tools to truly succeed, they need to evolve beyond individual developer usage to full enterprise integration. This means implementing robust security measures, ensuring compliance features, and building scalable infrastructure. To build lasting competitive advantages, platforms need to deeply integrate with existing workflows, create shared knowledge repositories, and implement collaboration tools that keep users engaged. The clearest path to market leadership is through establishing powerful network effects. When developers and teams become deeply integrated into an AI-enhanced workflow platform, it becomes increasingly difficult to switch to alternatives. This means that competitors entering the market later will face an uphill battle. They'll need to overcome these established collaboration networks and accumulated knowledge bases to gain any meaningful traction. The AI-first strategic edge. Cursor's AI-first approach gives them a unique kind of flexibility in product development. This creates a real competitive advantage against traditional IDE companies who are still tied to their legacy systems and established user workflows. By being AI first, they can innovate with features rapidly without being held back by legacy constraints. They can take fresh approaches to coding workflows and directly integrate emerging AI capabilities as they become available. Traditional IDE providers are facing some significant challenges here. They can't easily make radical changes to their products because their large enterprise customers rely on specific workflows. This makes any dramatic updates both risky and complex. Now, measuring the true value of an AI-first approach isn't straightforward in a competitive market. Many of the benefits are qualitative rather than strictly quantifiable. Things like developer productivity gains, novel collaboration methods, and intelligent code assistance. To maintain these early advantages, they'll need to convert their initial product superiority into lasting structural benefits. Their success will ultimately depend on building network effects and ecosystem advantages that get stronger over time through consistent execution and innovation. Verdict: Cursor's rapid adoption clearly shows that developers are hungry for AI-enhanced coding tools. They were first to meet this demand with a dedicated AI-first coding experience, and that's been key to their market success so far. However, they're facing some significant challenges in building lasting competitive advantages. Unlike GitHub, they don't have strong user lock-in mechanisms or powerful network effects, which could make it difficult to maintain their market leadership as competitors emerge. I have spent considerable time testing Cursor myself, but ultimately went back to Visual Studio Code with Claude. While their features are innovative, they just don't create enough stickiness to keep users from moving to alternative solutions. For Cursor to succeed in the long term, they'll need to focus on building stronger user retention mechanisms, creating unique collaborative features, developing proprietary technology advantages, and staying adaptable to evolving developer workflows. Now, let me explain what makes Cursor special. It's an AI-powered code editor that's fundamentally different from traditional development environments. The AI isn't just an add-on, it's woven into the core functionality of the platform. What makes it unique is how you can communicate your coding intentions in plain English, making development significantly more efficient. The AI is particularly good at generating code from natural language descriptions, analyzing existing code bases, resolving bugs, and suggesting code optimizations. This innovative approach has helped Cursor build a growing developer community that's looking for more intuitive coding solutions. While the rapid adoption of SaaS tools shows there's definitely market potential here, being first isn't enough. As AI coding tools mature and new development approaches emerge, Cursor will need to establish deeper competitive advantages to maintain their current position.